Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Watch the video Yogasana exercise daily morning at home for weight loss. Please subscribe and enable notification. Please like, share and comment. Savasana is very useful for meditation, pranayama and japa. It relaxes all the part of the body, cures insomnia, low blood pressure, indigestion, relief to the heart trouble, mental stress and strain. This asana appears simple but most difficult to master. Ek Pad Uttasana. This asana gives sufficient exercise to the abdominal muscles performed with one leg at a time. Then change it to the other leg. Relieves the stomach pain, tone up the liver, reduce the abdominal obesity, reduce the swelling in the leg, strengthens the lungs. In this asana, both the legs to be lifted and lowered together. Very useful for removing excess fat of the body. This asana, abdominal muscles strengthens, a digestive system improves, removes the excess fat on the belly and thighs, tone up the pancreas, alleviate indigestion, constipation, reduce the fat in the body, beneficial for the back pain, pain in the loin and thigh, regenerate spinal nerve and brain cell, cures the hiccups, gastric trouble. Navukasana. The final stage of the body resembles a boat, so it is called Navukasana. The benefit, the belly fat removes, digestive system improves, sluggishness of the stomach cured. Viparit Navukasana. When this asana is performed by lying on the stomach, is called Viparit Navukasana. Navukasana improves digestive system, beneficial for the kidney and diabetics. Pavan Muktasana. As its name suggests, this asana gives relief from the excess wind in the belly. This asana can be performed by raising one leg or both the legs. Pavan Muktasana is best natural way to get rid of foul gases. It reduces the obesity of the body and the fat around the abdomen. It prevents the heart trouble, improves the working of the lung. This asana cures the disease such as the gas constipation, disorder of uterus, intestinal worm, appendix, piles, blood impurity, windiness in the stomach. Grieve asana. This asana performed, lie flat on the back, keep the knees bent, raise the body on the palms and sole, place the hand folding scissors like on the chest, hold the breath with the body in raised position. Remain in this position as long as you can hold the breath. The advantage, keep the nervous system in good steady, cure the gynec trouble, strengthen the nervous and muscles around the neck. Setu Bandhasana. Setu means bridge. Bandha means formation or construction. In this asana, body is arched as if to form a bridge. So, this asana is called as Setu Bandhasana. This asana is very easy to practice. Person of any age can practice this asana. This asana cures the disease of the loins and thighs. It gives exercise to the shoulders, neck, and the elbow and the hand. The constant practice of the asana strengthens these parts of the body. It expels excess gas and cures indigestion. This asana makes spine flexible and active. Tolangulasana. When this asana is performed, the body takes shape of the scale. So it is called as Tolangulasana. It's made lie with the foot locked as a Padmasana. Place your hands palms upward under the middle part of the hip. If it is difficult to place the palms under the hip, lift the body with the help of the elbow and rest. Thus, the body remains supported on the elbow and the hip. Hold the breath as long as possible. Exhale slowly. Keep the eyes open, body stretched. Bend the neck forward, fix on the navel. Asana increase the elasticity and flexibility of the body, relieves the foul gases in the stomach, stimulation of the blood circulation, cures the disease as the constipation, asthma, diabetes, improves the voice sound and eyesight. Masthyana asana. This asana known as a Masthyana because in this asana with help of pranayama one can float on the surface of the water like a fish. Masthyana in Sanskrit word for fish. This asana is not very difficult to perform. This asana is very useful for concentration, meditation and self realization. There are three techniques to perform this asana. By practicing this asana, deep breathing improves the asthma, respiratory system improves, activates the spinal and back muscle, stimulate the facial nerves and increase the blood circulation. Diaphragm function more efficient, belly fat reduces. Katyanasana. This asana is very beneficial to the waist and abdomen. It is bit difficult to practice, but with continuous and regular practice, one will able to do it with ease. The benefit this asana cures all the disease of the waist. It cures the remedy of cloic pain. It strengthens the lungs and the shoulder. It stimulates the blood circulation in the heart, purifies the blood, prevents the heart trouble. Saputa Baddharasana. Pranayama, japa, dhyana can be performed in this asana. This asana improves the internal glands function, strengthens the heart. As the spine erect, pranayama and japa meditation can be performed. Activate Kundalini Shakti. Mind becomes cheerful, strengthens the arm joints, leg muscles. Viloma Asana Viparita Karani Mudra. The benefit face wrinkle reduces, kindle gastric fire, eye brighter, cures the swelling in the leg, voice become melodious, cures the dermatic disease, body becomes charming and active and strong, keep the spine, brain efficient. Sarvangasana, one of the most important asana, all part poses, all part of the body is exercised. Hal asana, the posture assumed in doing this asana resembles flow. Vartulasana, it is a variation of Halasana. Body takes a shape of a circle. The benefit, it increases the useful, cures the impotence, reduce the fat around lines, shoulder blades, gets exercise. This asana gives all the benefit of Halasana and Sarvangasana. And that comes to the end of my video. Please like this video. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned and stay healthy.